Hi, this is Jason with PokerAtlas, and in this video we will go over membership check-in. We will start by going into player maintenance, and we can either search by scanning their driver's license or swiping their player's card or doing a manual lookup. So I'm going to go ahead and do a manual lookup, so I'm going to hit search. I'm going to type in a partial last name and hit enter. Now we're going to select the player whose membership we are editing or changing. So now we have our player highlighted. Notice it says not paid right there under details and everything is grayed out. We're going to hit edit so we can edit this account. Now we can go over here to this not paid button, click on that, and that's going to bring up the edit player membership card, if you will. Go ahead and make sure it's the correct player. Notice the current status. Hit that drop down box and select the appropriate membership type. Once you've done that, hit change membership, hit save, and now your membership has been updated. Alright, and that is how you edit a player's membership. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos from PokerAtlas.